What's going on, everybody? Brad and Greta Zude, parenting with the Zudes, and on this video we are going to do the unboxing of the Walmart Baby Registry Welcome Gift Box Bag
thing.
Palooza. Yeah, so when you register your baby on Walmart.com, the registry, they send you a box, and it actually looks really nice. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you. We're #1 best-selling parenting authors. We talk all things babies and toddlers and all that kind of good stuff. And we've also done a bunch of other unboxing videos. So I'm anxious to see what we think of this one compared to like the Bye Bye Baby and the Amazon gift box that we opened and all that kind of good stuff. So if you like this, there's plenty more where that came from. So
right.
Miss Greta, fire away. Open that box.
All right. So I already did a little bit of tearing things apart,
peeked?
so we didn't.
Little
we didn't
snooping.
have the, now I'm doing it. But of course, diaper sample. But the thing that I like about this one is it's Huggies. I'm a huge Huggies fan, and in most of these boxes you get Pampers, and so my kids' bottoms react to Pampers, and but you know what my favorite thing about this is, these are size 1 diapers. My favorite thing about Huggies, I just gotta go there, because when you get to the like 2 month blowout stage, Huggies actually really helps with that, and I have to get over the 2 month hump before I start buying the cheap diapers.
Yeah.
But Huggies they're premium.
Why?
They're premium.
Why does Huggies help with that?
Because they have this little thing here, like this little extra. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, I don't know.
A little extra thing that
flap
like, keeps the poo from squirting out the back. You know what I'm talking about?
It's kind of like a spoiler on a car. I don't know if you can see that. But
oh, there you go. Yeah, there you go.
The extra flap there. It's the small things.
It's in if you can save a couple outfits here and there from the blowouts, it's worth it.
And it wouldn't be a registry welcome box sampler without some Huggies diapers. So
no, most of them have Pampers, so I really appreciate the Walmart has Huggies.
How about that?
Yeah, I love Huggies. Okay, next we have the Grape Water. I think this is a new thing. I've not seen that in any other.
Grape Water.
Yeah, Grape Water for those upset tummies. You wouldn't know.
That's never worked on any of our kids, has it?
I've never had to use it, really. Yeah.
So we have 8 children, 12 and under. We've been in diapers for like 12 or 13 years, and we do kid stuff. And I don't think we've ever. Ginger,
fennel, chamomile, and a lemon balm with a little syringe. Got Grape Water.
Yeah, I don't know. Who knows? If you're on like your second baby or more, comment below in the comments if you've ever used Grape Water for your current babies. Mm-hmm. But a lot of you, or post when your due date is if you're a brand new mom. Either way.
Yeah. Okay. Then we have an array of pacifiers, and I don't know.
Holy cow!
Yeah, I got 3 pacifiers. The ma'am, is it like a mom or ma'am?
Ma'am.
I don't know how you're supposed to say it, but you got that. It's a cute one,
I guess.
Yeah. Okay. Then we got a little rocket ship one, Tommy Tippy, which it looks interesting. This is a different shaped one than I've ever seen before.
And make sure you guys stay to the end of this video, because we're actually going to add up how much we think all this stuff costs. And I know the Amazon one, they claimed at $35, and well, you'll have to watch our Amazon video to see if it actually added up to $35. But this is some nice stuff.
Yeah.
That's a good looking pacifier.
And then we've got the even flow balance.
But this is the one that's more of the kind that our kids
like. Yeah.
But that's a nice pacifier.
It is a nice pacifier. Yeah. All right, and then you've got your body wash samples, face and body lotion. It's so small I can't even read it. And body wash and shampoo. So you got your lotion and your shampoo, Johnson's.
Because that's the secret to getting your baby sleeping through the night, is rubbing lotion all over them. No, I'm kidding.
No.
Just kidding.
And then we have Hyland's baby oral pain relief tablets. I'm kind of excited to try that.
I thought you couldn't give babies Tylenol.
No, it's not Tylenol. They're like for teething. I don't know what they do. But they used to have
tiny cold tablets.
Cold?
Relief?
Oh, they're cold?
Or wait.
I think they're for teething, aren't they? Pain relief?
I don't know. They got the brochure. Oral pain relief. Well, they might have one of each. It looks like they've got one of each. So they got one for tiny cold tablets, relief of runny nose, congestion, and sneezing.
Interesting.
And then the other one is the oral pain relief.
I've never used them, but I've heard about, tablets for teething. So
We just use old grandpa's whiskey, a little rum on the gum.
no, we do not. We do not.
Not recommended. Not parental advice.
No. And then we have a sample for the cocoa butter formula massage lotion for stretch marks.
Stretch marks.
Yes. And where was that thing? But I'm kind of disappointed. They have a little thing for it, but no
sample?
No. Well, no, this is the sample.
Oh, that is the sample.
But no coupon for it.
Oh. Yeah, usually with some of the other boxes we've gotten like a tiny little sample and then a coupon.
Yeah. Then they have a stroller guide thing. No coupon. No coupon. Medela advertisement. No coupon.
What?
Yeah. That's kind of disappointing. And then there was this cute little envelope here. Open it. And I think this is kind of cute. This is a really cute idea. It's the little cards that you can, 1 month, 2 months, that you can take pictures with. But on each card, then you have what they would recommend you need for that month.
1 month old, you got to have the outlet cam. Wow.
Yeah, 2 month olds, you have to have the boppy, but
Wow.
I mean, hopefully you have the boppy for nursing and everything before 2 months old. But yeah, you got the play gym, you got the teethers.
The teether keys. Wow.
Yeah, 5 months. So I think that's a cute little idea.
But what they didn't put in the box was
Oh boy.
free copy of our #1 best-selling baby sleep book called My Baby Can Sleep, which you can pick up on Amazon. But hey, Walmart, if you're looking for another sponsor, I'd love to put a copy of our book in the bag. So overall, I mean, if we get like $2 per pacifier.
Oh, pacifiers are more expensive than that. They're like, I don't know. I would say $4.
$4
a piece.
For a 12
This is
dollar
worth of diapers.
The Grape Water. So on the high side, you got $20 maybe worth of samples, and not even any coupons. So like we did the Bye Bye Baby one, and that one was a really good one. But that box was like way more than that. Even the Amazon, it was like 35, but they had some great coupons in it. And
it's a little light, but
it's a little light.
Walmart is on the cheaper end of things.
Yeah.
So you're gonna get
the more economical line of things.
It is, and you're gonna get cheaper prices there. So
But it was nice.
The same thing.
How nice was that at Walmart to do that?
It
is. The pacifier we'll use, the diapers, all that kind of stuff. So definitely go to Walmart, sign up for your baby registry. And again, if you're looking for a plan to get your baby sleeping through the night, you can hit that in the comments below. If you need help with toddler behavior, you can do that. But hey, just subscribe to our channel because we have all kinds of amazing videos that go over all that stuff. And that's really what we want to do, is just have you join the IP fam and watch some of our other videos. And we'll see you on the next one.